Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after so long time. This is the first episode of Totally Recycle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make WREIS pin cushion. So let's start. To make this cushion, you will need pencil, pair of scissors, fabric, Welcrow, cardboard, glue, needle and thread, and for stuffing, I'm using foam or a small pieces of fabric. Cushion, trace out a circle using any round shape. For reference, diameter of circle is 5 inches. Cut out 2 pieces. Now place right side together and sew along the black line. Leave 1 inch for opening. If you don't have sewing machine, you can also stitch it by using needle and thread. To make this type of cushion, you can use any waste fabric which left after cutting kurtis, pants or any other project. We don't have to buy new fabric to make it. It can easily manage in small pieces. Make notches or cuts all around the circle as shown. Flip inside out. Now fill this with small pieces of fabric or foam until the pin cushion feels nice and firm. Pin down the edges and stitch it. Now take a piece of cardboard and place this cushion on the back side of it and trace it out like shown. Cut out a circle from it. Cover this circle by using same fabric which we have used to make cushion. For that, trace out a cardboard circle on the back side of fabric and leave half inch seam allowance for folding. Use fabric glue or any other glue to attach both pieces. After that, stitch this cardboard to the back side of cushion with the help of needle and thread. So that pins can't get out of this cushion. For band, measure your wrist round and add half inches for ease. Fold a piece of fabric in half like right side together and mark it. Now leave half inch seam allowance from all the sides for stitching. Leave one side for opening. Turn inside out like this. Pin down the edges and top stitch it. Cut a piece of Velcro like this, 1 inch for one side and half inch for other. Stitch it to the both sides. To attach this band to the cushion, place the center of band on the center of the cushion and attach it by using needle and thread like this. Pass needle and thread from the center of the cushion. Make a knot at the end. For decoration, I am attaching this pearl with the help of glue. And it's done. This is what it looks like after finished. So if you like my video, then please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.